Today we will discuss the programming examples which are based on recursion. So in this week's face-to-face lecture, I have explained you what recursion actually is. So this time we will be discussing some programming examples based on it. This is example 1. As you can see over here in this example, we have created a class called FIB. This class is public in nature. This is the name of class FIB. Inside this class we have a main method. This is the main method. Now here we have initialized a variable called index, and we have given its value as 0 and it is of type integer. Now this is loop, while loop. So while true, system.out.println Fibonacci index. Now you can see this Fibonacci is basically the name of function, and this function is defined over here. This is the function Fibonacci, and this function accepts an argument which is of type integer. So this program will print the value which is calculated by this function, and after that index will be incremented by 1. Now see what this function performs. If I is equals to 0, it will return 0. If I is less than equals to 2, it will return 1. That means first time it will return 0, then value of I will become 1, so it will return 1, and next time the value of I will become 2, so it is equals to 2, it will again return 1. Now next is long fib term. So we have a variable called fib term and its data type is long. Now I'll give you 10 minutes. You have to find out what should be there in this space. What will be the equation in order to print Fibonacci series. Okay, this is a Fibonacci series 0, 1, 1, and then next number will be, can you tell me what will be the next number after 0, 1, 1 in Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series starts from 0, then it is 1, and then 1. After that, what will be the next digit? What will be the next digit? Yes, can you tell me what will be the Fibonacci series? Okay, first number is 0. This is what I have told you. So this is 0. After 0, after 0 what we have? After 0 what we have? 1. Okay. Next digit is 1. After that, after that, 1. Now tell me the fourth digit. Tell me the fourth digit. After 0, 1, 1, what will be the fourth digit in Fibonacci series? In Fibonacci series, first number is 0, second number is 1, third number is 1. Now what's the fourth number? How you will get it? Yes, 2. So what you have done, you have added these two numbers. Okay, what will be the next number? 3. Next number is 3 because we have added previous two numbers, 1 and 2. So we get 3. And then we have 5. Because 3 plus 2 is 5. And likewise, we have different numbers. Now you have to tell what will be there in this, at this place. What will be there at this place? What we are doing, we are adding previous two numbers in order to get next number. So what will be placed in this equation? You have to find it out. I will give you 5 minutes, just go through it and try to find it out what will be there at this point. So what will be the equation? You have to tell what will be the equation over here. Long fifth term is equals to what? Since you know that in order to get Fibonacci series, we are adding previous two numbers. So what will be the equation here? I'll give you 5 minutes. Can anyone tell me what will be the equation over here? No, not n factorial. This is not factorial. This is Fibonacci series. Okay, see the output of this, see the correct equation that we will have. The correct equation is Fibonacci I minus 1 plus Fibonacci I minus 2. This is because in order to get Fibonacci series, we have to add the previous two numbers. So this is, if you want to get 2, you have to add Fibonacci I minus 1 with Fibonacci I minus 2. Now next time, in order to get next number, okay, you will add previous two numbers. That is Fibonacci I minus 1 plus Fibonacci I minus 2. So this is the correct equation. And now you can see the output of this program. When you will run this program, you will get this sequence. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, and so on, and so on. It will go on and on. So this program will generate series of Fibonacci sequence. And this program is based on recursion because same method is called again and again. There is no need to create separate methods. Just create one method and that method will be called again. Is this program clear? Now let's move to second program. Second example, this is also based on recursion. This program will find out whether a given string is a palindrome or not. So first of all, go through this program. I'll give you 10 minutes. Go through it and then tell me what will be placed over here, here, and at this place. Okay? I'm giving you 10 minutes. Go through this program and you have to fill this. And you have to also tell the output of this program. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yes, you have to import a scanner because we are using scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in. So you have to import a scanner class. So what you will write over here? At this place, what you will write? Okay, so go through this program and tell me what string you will use here and what string you will use here. This is the program in order to find out palindrome. This is a recursive program. I'll give you 10 minutes for it. Yes, this is absolutely correct. Import java.util.scanner. What about remaining two? Missing code? Yes, it's a sentence. Okay. So first sentence will give you what type of value? Means the first sentence will be positive or negative. Yes, positive. That means if value of x is true, okay, then this statement will be some positive statement, like the given string or the given word is a palindrome. Okay, and what about next? What about next? Last one. Last one will be a negative sentence. That means when x is equals to false, it will return a negative sentence, negative value, like the given string or a given word is not a palindrome. Is not a palindrome. So you can see the output of the, yes, clear. So see the missing code first of all. This is the answer. Import java.util.scanner. Here you can give a positive string is a palindrome. You can give a negative string is not a palindrome. So the output of this program is, first of all, it will print type a word to check if it's a palindrome or not. Because if you see our program, we have system.out.println type a word to see, to check if it is a palindrome or not. So first of all, this statement, this string will be printed and it will ask from the user to enter any value. Suppose you enter madam. This is the string which is entered by user. So when you will enter this string, the output will be madam is a palindrome. Because here what we have x plus. X plus means whatever the word, whatever the string that is being entered by the user is taken. First of all, and then the remaining string. Now you can see over here in this code, check this code. If h.length is equals to 0, this is which type of operator? Can you tell me? This is which operator? This is a Boolean operator, and in the Boolean operator we have studied 3 different types of operators. Can you name this one? Yes, it is a Boolean operator, but which type of Boolean operator it is? We have 3 different types of Boolean operator. Can you name this one? Can you name this one? This is OR Boolean operator. This is OR Boolean operator. We have 3 types of operators, if you remember. First one is AND, second one is OR, and third one is NOT. So for AND, we use this symbol, ampersand symbol. This is for AND. For OR, we use 2 parallel lines, OR. And for NOT, we use an exclamation mark, NOT. So that means, since we are using OR Boolean operator, these are the 2 conditions, and in order to execute OR operator, at least one condition should be true. So if any of the condition will be true, it will return true. Because suppose if a user has entered S as a word, a user enters just S. So this will be considered as a palindrome. If user enters just 2 values, suppose S, A. So you can read it from here also SA. Okay. So it will return true. Now this case, what is it? Suppose I have madam. Now what this equation will do, it will compare first alphabet with the last alphabet. That's why we have HC at 0 up to length minus 1. So it will compare first alphabet with last alphabet. If it is same, if it matches, then what will happen? It will move to next alphabet. And here also the pointer will move to second last alphabet. It will compare both these values. If it is true, then it will move to third alphabet. And if it is same, then this value of X will be true. And it will print that this word is a palindrome. If this does not matches, it will return false, and it will print it is not a palindrome. So that's why when you use this madam, the result is madam is a palindrome. Now if you write same program and you give hello, if you give hello, what will be the output? What will be the output? The output will be hello is not a palindrome. Because it will check first alphabet with last alphabet, and both these alphabets are different. Here we have H, here we have O. These are different. So what will happen? Value of X will be false. Value of X will be false. So it will print not a palindrome. So these are the two examples which were based on recursion. Here we have created a single method that is being called again and again. So for complex problems, it is a better option to use recursion because it increases efficiency of your program. If you have any question, you may ask. Clear. That's good. Okay, so see you in next face-to-face lecture then, next week. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.